Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Xfinity remote to your Roku TV in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand this. Your Xfinity remote can control your Roku TV, but only for the basic functions like power, volume, input and output. So you won't be able to fully navigate Roku applications using it. So first of all, you need to turn on your Roku TV manually. Just make sure that your TV is already powered on before pairing. Afterwards, you need to put your Xfinity remote in the setup mode. For that, you just have to press and hold the setup button until the light on the remote turns green. Now, if your remote doesn't have the setup button, you can simply press and hold the Xfinity plus info buttons together until the light changes. So when it does, you need to enter into the pairing mode. So using the number pad, you need to enter the code for the Roku TV. So some of the common working codes are 11756. Another one is 10818, and you can also add 12434. So after entering the code, the TV should turn off. If it does, simply press the power button again in order to turn it back on. So that means pairing is successful. If it doesn't work, you can try another code until it responds. So if the volume, mute and the power buttons are working properly, if everything works, it simply means that you are done. If not, you can repeat the process with a different code. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.